Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Back up now to iCloud or iTunes. Once backed up, make sure your iPhone is charged above 50% and note the exact iOS version. This determines the jailbreak tool you'll use. Connect to a trusted computer with a good USB cable. Next, download the compatible jailbreak utility for that iOS version and install any required drivers. Make sure your computer's security software is temporarily adjusted so the tool runs. Now you're ready to begin the jailbreak process. You'll run the jailbreak tool and follow prompts to put the phone into the required mode. This step is precise, so move deliberately and follow timing cues. Once the jailbreak completes, open the newly installed package manager to refresh repositories. From there, search for the dynamic island tweak, install the version that matches your device architecture and tweak dependencies. After installation, respring or restart the springboard when prompted so the tweak integrates with the system UI. You'll now see the native-style dynamic island behavior appearing. You finish by opening the tweak settings and customizing size, animations, and which apps show expanded content. Test with timers and music to confirm behavior. If the phone becomes unstable or apps crash, make sure to remove recent tweaks, reboot, and if necessary, restore your backup and update to a supported firmware before trying again. One key tip: if the dynamic island tweak doesn't appear, check that the package manager sources are correct and that you installed the tweak variant matching your iOS. Mismatched builds cause most failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.